What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we only using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, as do I. But we only using one account just to show you guys that this does work. Even if you're just starting, you will get money, and plus, you're beginners. You want to try this out first, see if it works for you first before you really start diving into it. You know what I mean? And this is the absolute simplest way to make money online in 2023. Now, if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business in particular with this method. And it's simply because it has 80% recurring commissions on its affiliates. For its affiliates, basically you get paid every single month, guys. You get paid every single month, and it's just fantastic. Okay, guys. So that's the main reason why I like promoting this product. And yeah, let's just refresh the page and see what see if I got a sale yesterday. Okay, we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal. All right, guys. So the first thing we need to do to help you do this very easy and simple method of making money online that's gotten me $5,500 so far is first we need to get your affiliate link. That's the very first thing we need to do, get your affiliate link. So you just go to one of my videos, right, guys? Hold up, let me find my videos real quick. All right, we clicked on one of my videos here, and you're gonna be in the description. Once you get to the description, you're gonna see step 1 and step 2. All right, guys. Once you get to what you want to do is click on the step 1 where it say $25 all-in-one business. Now, once you click on this, it's gonna take you to this page here. Now, this page in particular is the $25 business. It explains what it does, how much money you can make, all that good stuff. Just all the information you ever would need on making your decision, guys. I'm telling you, this works. And what what it essentially is, and all that good stuff. But yeah, you decide, hey, I want to try this out, right? You just click on this, right? And it's gonna take you to a page where you put in all your information here. Now, I recommend also getting this if you want to speed up the process of making money online here. But and the reason why I say that, this is another product, HBA Premium. It teaches you how to do traffic. While this teaches you, this gives you a really solid funnel builder. This one teaches you how to do the traffic. So they're very good products to have anyway. But the main reason we getting them is because of the affiliate system. And the reason why they're able to pay 80% recurring income, absolute highest you have ever heard, all right, guys, it's because you have to own the product to promote the product. Now, if you know how affiliates work, that's how these funnel builders and traffic things work. Like, you have to have the product to promote it. Like, that's how all of them do it. But this one pays you 80% recurring commissions. All right, guys, that's insanity. But anyway, guys, yeah, you do that, sign in, do all the stuff, and then you get to a page or something like this, right? You'll put in your information. You can make your account real quick. Then you just log in, and yeah, you'll get to this page here. Basically, focus on the top here. Don't worry about what's down here. And what you want to do is click on the affiliate zone. I'm already there, but that's what you want to do. You want to click on the affiliate zone. So you probably won't be on the affiliate zone already. And once you get to affiliate zone, by the way, guys, videos explaining all of this. Videos explaining every single thing I'm talking about, guys. So once you click on the affiliate zone here, what we're going to do is sign up for the affiliate program here. And that's when you want to click on that, put in your information. It's very simple. As you can see, email, password, stuff like that. Very simple information. And that's it. You log into the SoundCart, and boom, you got your affiliate links. All right, guys, you're on this page here. Now, this is the link that I personally use that works for me. All-in-one $25 business right here. That's the one that works for me, guys. So anyway, once you do that, you want to come back to the my video here, and you want to click on step 2, my lead gen secrets. And what that's gonna take you is to this page here, my lead gen secrets here. And what essentially what it is, it's traffic. It's a form of traffic, and it's a very cool form of traffic. What it does is you get 100 leads every single day, guys. Every single day you get 100 leads, and the 100 leads are interested in making money online, which is perfect for our product, guys. All right, so we're just gonna log in here. All right, I did the affiliate. Gonna log in, guys, and what we're gonna do, click on mailing system here, and we're gonna click on select all. Boom. Very simple process, very easy. You want to click on mailing system once you get into this, and you can select all your leads here. You're only going to have 100 leads when you first start, but it's going to slowly build up real quick. This is a numbers game. Eventually you'll get to a point where you get a lot of leads. But anyway, we're going to click on one of my emails that I already done writ here. I'm gonna let y'all be able to copy it as well, don't worry. And which one we're gonna go with? I don't know. Alright, we're gonna click on this one. There's a simple email here, guys. Just copy this here, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Very simple email. You can just copy that. That's the whole email there, guys. Pause it, copy it, boom, you're done. And what you want to do here, perfect timing. What this does, send an email around time people check the emails, a better chance of them checking it out. And you want to preview and make sure your link works, guys. Preview and make sure your link works so people can click on it and actually get to your product. But anyway, guys, we're gonna send an email and we are done. That's it. So finito, as you can see. And that's all it takes, guys. That's really all it takes. It's that simple. All right, it's really that simple. And yeah, guys, that's it. So like I stated before, if you're interested in following along, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.